Hello guys, I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is your boy DeFi again, and I just want to look at DeFi staking platform update about the staking launch and also the auction lobby. So my main concern in this video is about the low dividends. The low dividends we are getting currently, and also the current dividends pool. Why we have little Tron in the dividends pool, and people in the Telegram group here asking very many questions. I've been following them for some good time. So people are concerned about the decrease in the dividends received day by day, and also the amount of Tron that is getting into the contract. Now, the way this thing operates is that if the community doesn't support it, it won't produce for you profits as you want. So what we are having here is that people are cheating the system by not purchasing tokens from the auction lobby, and they are purchasing the tokens from JustSwap. So JustSwap is an exchange that people are using to purchase the tokens. So in other words, they put the Tron in the exchange, and the exchange gives them the DSP tokens, which they come and stake in the DSP platform. So that alone is cheating the system, and you are also cheating yourself. It's like when you own a shop, you're selling something and you don't support yourself. For example, you're selling bread and you go to the neighbor's shop and buy bread from there. So in other words, you're not developing yourself, you're just developing the neighbor. So that's what's happening to the DSP community. So the thing is like this: buy DSP tokens from the auction, you'll get the dividends. Buy DSP tokens from the JustSwap exchange, no dividends. End of story. So we have to come up as a community and support this DSP platform because it is paying us. Don't cheat the system. Just bring the Tron in the auction lobby and buy from the auction lobby. So we have seen a decrease in the, you can see here now, one DSP costs 1 Tron. There is a time we had one DSP costing 10 Tron. So when people started buying from the exchange site, things started going down, the dividends started going down, and they are cheating the system, and they are the same people who are complaining. So I don't know. So this is the chart, as you can see. This is the chart, and actually it is a 5 minutes chart, as you can see it. And you look at the transactions in 24 hours on JustSwap, over 3,000 transactions. So just assume that all these transactions were into the auction lobby. What would happen? So we'd be having the auction lobby having much Tron in it, and in the same case, at the end of the clock going down, all those dividends will be shared amongst us. So guys, don't cheat the system. Just go to the auction lobby here and click this button. You buy the tokens from here. Don't go to JustSwap. You see people are swapping TRX for DSP. So what do you think they are swapping it for? They are swapping it. Now it is this DSP that they are getting, and they are investing, they are staking it in the platform. This one swapped 209 TRX, this one 110, this one 1000. So you see what I'm meaning, guys. So that's it. To conclude this, you buy DSP tokens from the auction, we get dividends. You buy DSP tokens from the exchange, no dividends. That's all. So I'm leaving my link in the description of the video. Feel free to use it so that you can get a 5% discount on the tokens that you buy from the auction lobby. And also I would like you to share this video to as many people as you can, because the entire community needs to know this as we go on. For those of you who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from me again in my crypto space. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.